Do you know how much damage pest birds can cause to agricultural crops? The monetary loss for pest birds in Australia is roughly 313 million Australian dollars, which is the highest among all vertebrate pests in Australia. Often pest birds are very fast and do significant damage to crops quickly. What is edge computing? Edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that brings computation and data storage closer to the edge of the network where data is generated to improve response time and save bandwidth. Cloud-based solutions are often applied to ag-tech scenarios. Cloud data centers, however, reside at a multi-hop distance from the sensors. Hence, data propagation and transmission cause significant delay and affect the responsiveness of latency-sensitive ag-tech operations, such as on-demand pest repelling. Additionally, in remote areas, there is either no internet access or only broadband access with limited bandwidth. In such cases, reliance on clouds is infeasible since there is no internet access or the huge amount of data transferred to clouds can easily congest the network. Therefore, in this project, we aim to build an edge computing platform embedded in a network of resource-constrained devices, such as Raspberry Pis, to bring application execution close to the data source and overcome challenges with high volume of data and the need for automated, near real-time system responsiveness. The arrangement of electricity for devices in farming areas is also challenging. Thus, we intended to make our system fully off-grid by the development of solar-powered devices. To address these challenges, we have developed an edge computing framework named ConPi. Using ConPi, we have developed proof of concept and a prototype pest bird repellent system which demonstrates ConPi's suitability in developing practical solutions for a smart agricultural domain. We conducted experiments and a trial in an urban backyard to test and validate our system. A group of 3 Raspberry Pis are installed in the backyard to protect the lawn area. Here is a sample output image from the backyard trial showing 2 magpies are detected by the system. Results show that ConPi successfully operates automated pest bird repellent system and effectively performs resource sharing and task offloading for energy conservation on the battery-powered Raspberry Pis. Raspberry Pis with lower level of battery charge can automatically offload their image processing tasks to the nearby devices with a higher level of charge. This way, the average lifetime of devices will be increased and more effective protection for all areas are provided.